Planning a romantic Valentine's Day dinner at home? Looking for stunning Valentine's table decoration ideas that instantly set the mood? Searching for elegant Valentine's Day table decor ideas or simple Valentine centerpiece ideas that don't take hours to prepare? Or maybe you want a cozy, romantic Valentine tablescape that feels special but stress-free? Then stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 beautiful Valentine table decorating ideas to help you create the perfect romantic setup. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're exploring beautiful Valentine's table decoration ideas, romantic Valentine's Day table decor ideas, and creative Valentine centerpiece ideas, perfect for dinners, parties, or a cozy night at home. What makes a Valentine's Day table setting feel romantic? Romantic tables focus on softness, warm lighting, and thoughtful details. Candles, florals, and cohesive colors are the foundation of elegant Valentine's table decoration ideas. Where should I start when decorating a table for Valentine's Day? Start with a table runner or placemats, then build around a centerpiece. These Valentine's Day table decor ideas create structure and balance. If you love romantic home decor, hit like and share this video with someone special. What are the most popular Valentine centerpiece ideas? Floral arrangements, candles, heart accents, and trays are classics. These Valentine centerpiece ideas instantly draw attention and set the tone. What Valentine's Day centerpiece ideas work for small tables? Low arrangements, single vases, or candle clusters are perfect. These Valentine's Day centerpiece ideas keep tables functional and elegant. Do you prefer floral centerpieces or candle-based centerpieces? Tell me below. What are simple Valentine table decor ideas anyone can try? Candles, folded napkins, and a small centerpiece go a long way. These simple Valentine table decor ideas are easy but impactful. What simple Valentine's table decorations ideas work for last-minute setups? Scatter heart confetti, use LED candles, and add fresh flowers. These simple Valentine's table decorations ideas come together in minutes. For more Valentine decor and table styling ideas, check out the playlist in the description. What Valentine tablescape ideas feel elegant and stylish? Layered linens, coordinated place settings, and soft lighting. These Valentine tablescape ideas look polished without feeling overdone. How do I create a romantic Valentine table setting at home? Use candles, romantic colors, and thoughtful place settings. A romantic Valentine table setting is all about ambiance and intention. Love table styling and seasonal decor? Subscribe for weekly inspiration. What DIY Valentine table decorations ideas are budget-friendly? Mason jar centerpieces, paper hearts, and handmade place cards. These DIY Valentine table decorations ideas feel personal and affordable. How can candles enhance Valentine decor table styling? Candles add warmth, intimacy, and glow. Using candles elevates any Valentine decor table instantly. For more home decor and tablescape ideas, check the related videos below. What colors work best for Valentine's Day table decor ideas? Reds, pinks, whites, neutrals, and soft metallics. These colors define timeless Valentine's Day table decor ideas. How do I decorate a Valentine table without cluttering it? Stick to one centerpiece and keep decor low profile. Clean Valentine's table decor ideas feel more elegant. What Valentine table ideas work for casual dinners? Simple runners, candles, and small florals work well. These Valentine's table decoration ideas are relaxed yet romantic. How can I decorate a coffee table for Valentine's Day? Use trays, candles, books, and a small floral accent. These Valentine centerpiece ideas also work beautifully on coffee tables. What's the easiest way to create a beautiful Valentine table? Add candles, one centerpiece, and coordinated linens. Even simple Valentine's Day table decor ideas make a big impact. And that's it. 15 Valentine's Table Decoration Ideas to help you create a romantic, stylish, and welcoming setup for Valentine's Day. From elegant centerpieces and cozy candlelight to simple DIY touches and effortless tablescapes, Valentine Table Decor is all about creating meaningful moments. Whether you're hosting a dinner for two or a small gathering, these Valentine's Day table decor ideas help you celebrate love beautifully at home. Are you planning a romantic dinner or a casual Valentine's meal at home? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating and table styling inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!